Hi students, let us continue with chapter 12, reflection. So in our previous class I had explained you how to take the reflection on y-axis, x-axis and origin. Okay, so let me start with exercise 12b. Coming to exercise 12b, coming to the first question. Okay, the first question we have, attempt the question on a graph paper. So consider it is a graph paper and let's solve it. Plot A32 B54 on a graph paper. So it's take 2 centimeters equal to 1. You need to do it on a graph paper. Okay, so first let me plot the randomly 1 2 3 4 5 6 -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 -6 1 2 3 4 5 6 -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 -6. Okay, so plot A32 let us plot it here. A32 and B54 is plotted here. Okay, now that's the first sub question, right? Second sub question, reflect A and B in the x-axis to get A dash and B dash. So reflecting the x-axis I get 3 minus 2, right? And B will be 5 minus 4. So where will be that point? 3 minus 2 here, right? A dash is 3 minus 2 and 5 minus 4 will be here. B dash is 5 minus 4. Okay, that's over. Now what's the next sub question? Plot these points on the graph paper. Write down the geometrical figure name A, B, B dash, B. Okay, first let us join this line and see what figure you get from that. Okay, so the graph is not very proper. Let's see. Okay, joining them. Joined. Again you can join them. Okay. Joining them with this, so roughly I have joined. So joining this you get, and what figure it is? It is an isosceles trapezium. Name of the figure they asked, isosceles trapezium. Okay, then measure the angle ABB dash. So your work is ABB dash, so you need to measure that angle. What is that angle you get? You need to measure it, so you clearly get it as 45 degree. You can use your protractor to do that, not the scale. Okay, since the angle was shown on this, I have written that. Now third sub question here is the image A double dash of A when A is reflected on the origin, right? You need to just write it. So A reflected on origin, A double dash will be what? -3 -2. Okay, single transformation from A dash to A double dash. A dash, how much would we have got? 3 minus 2. So A dash to this will be reflection on y-axis. Reflection on y-axis. So this is the first sub question, second sub question, third one and fourth sub question. Hope it's clear to you kids. This is how you plot it. Okay. Then now coming to the next question, second one. So similar way we are plotting it also. Let me randomly draw a graph. Okay. Coming to the second question, what is given? Well, let's see. The point 30 is it told in the graph. Whatever is shown in the graph we will do first. Similar way you can do the. Okay, let's come to the second question. In the second question we have the points A. Points is given 3 0 and let me consider as B minus 1 0 are invariant points under the reflection on line L1. Okay, and points 0 minus 3 let us C and D is 0 1 are invariant on reflection on L2. Okay, write the equation for the lines L1 and L2. Just see, it is invariant on line L1 it's told. So if it reflected on L1 it doesn't change. So when here we have y-axis 0 in both the cases. So the reflection should be on line should be reflection on x-axis, right? Then only the y has to change, correct? Y is 0 means it will remain invariant. So here in that case reflection is in y-axis, right? Reflection in y-axis, then only x has to change. So if it is invariant doesn't change, it is reflection in y-axis. Okay, so we got the lines L1 and L2. Write down the images of P34. Okay, second sub question, P34 and Q5 minus 2, 5 minus 5 minus 2 on the reflection in L1. L1 is reflection on x-axis. So what will be that? P dash will be 3 minus 4 and Q dash also will be minus 5 and 2. Minus 2 will become 2. Okay. Now write down the, okay, state and describe a single transformation that maps. Okay. Coming to the third sub question we have, write down the images of P and Q on reflection on L2. So that will be P dash. Okay, P double dash and Q double dash will be what? P and Q should be reflected. So it will become what? Minus 3, 4 and 5 minus 2. Okay. Now state or describe a single transformation that maps P dash onto P double dash. P dash onto P double dash, 3 minus 4 and minus 4 becomes. So it is reflection in origin. Reflection in origin. Okay. Hope it's clear, children. Now coming to the third sub question. Third question. Point P, A, B we have is reflected to in x-axis to get P dash 5 minus 2. Write down the value of A and B. So reflected on x-axis to get this. So what would have been value here? It would have been 5 and 2, right? So A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 2. Okay. And P double dash is the image of P. P double dash is the image of P when reflected in y-axis. So P double dash, P reflected in y-axis means it will be minus 5, 2. Okay. Name a single transformation that maps P dash to P. P dash to P. So again reflection in origin. Okay, this will be reflection in origin. Hope it's clear, children. This is how we will be solving this type of questions.